Hi guys, welcome to Mushroom Project. Chandragouda H. Patil here, International Mushroom Consultant. See, here one project I am showing you, ideal project. This is near to Kathraj, Pune, near to National Highway. This is a nature place. Here we can't grow any agriculture products mainly, but we can produce some mushrooms. Here so many industries are there. Thousands of vehicles regularly moving here. Near to this place, just 5 to 10 minutes walkable distance from the national highway. Professor Nimbarkar managing this project. See this one, project place, nature is available. Like this place, also we can produce some mushrooms on terrace or any poultry empty sheds. You can utilize and grow mushroom 365 days regularly. N number of mushrooms you can grow. All types of mushrooms cultivation system is almost all same. Little bit changes are there. Here some important varieties is cultivating, growing here for sterilization, steam sterilization method he is operating. You can operate other methods also. Wheat straw, dried one, collected over here. This dried grass too, we can grow oyster, milky mushroom, button mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, ganoderma, many types of mushrooms. Commonly highly demanded, so many varieties are there in our country and abroad also, that mushrooms we can grow 365 days regularly. Here you see panels used for construction. In a ground level, stones used. This is a permanent structure in a nature place. Good climate, nature available here. You can take a training for here. 1 day training also available. 3 days diploma course also available here. Once in a month we are conducting training programs. Throughout the country, a number of peoples contacting and they are participating in this training program. Each and everything you can gain from this place. When you are taking a practical training from the tissue culture, spawn production, and mushroom growing, harvesting, and packing, fresh one, and dry making, and byproducts making, and then business, next one, and passport centers, and dehydrated mushroom market, and dry mushroom to byproducts, and export market. This is a huge industry. So root to end, everything will cover in 3 days. Out of Pune peoples, suppose want to take a training, we are arranging some accommodation also, food, everything. This is a certificated course. See here, after 3 crops, when we are after getting 3 crops, we are throwing these bags outside. In this place also we are getting some mushrooms after some days. This is an additional benefit. Every day we are getting a 2 kg, 3 kg, sometimes 5 kg also. Afterwards we are serving this beds to cattles. This is a very good feed for cattles. This straw is having a highly abundance of calcium, nutrition, protein, minerals. So buffaloes and cattles, cows, when they are consuming this raw material, they give you more milk also. So this nothing is a waste. See how it is looking, fresh mushrooms. See, inside it is growing. So, if you are interested to start this mushroom industry, this is a lifelong industry. So many business opportunities also there in a mushroom industry. Job opportunities also there. Consultancy services also available here. Suppose you are taking to start in a large scale mushroom cultivation. We have a expert growers, consultants, and marketing executives and expert workers will provide you lots of things. So for any more information you can send your more queries and any details in comment box. Will provide you further consultancy services. Ready beds also we are providing, spawns and many byproducts also. Marketing facilities also providing throughout the country and abroad also. So from a root level to end, complete technology practically we are providing in a 3 days. So many students they are participating here. Suppose you are confidently able to give a consultancy to other peoples, you can gain many things in this industry. Suppose you are taking a one village, maximum farmers available in a village, they are having infrastructure, they are having some kind of the sheds in their field and raw material and manpower, everything they are having. Suppose you are concentrating any one village, you can supply a spawn consultancy and their mushrooms marketing and byproduct and number of business opportunities are there in this mushroom industry. You are retired or you are an employee or you suppose you want to you are an unemployed, you can gain many things in a mushroom industry. Unlimited unemployment opportunity employment opportunities are there in mushroom industry. So welcome to everyone. Please comment on this comment box for your any suggestion and any requirements will help you. Thank you so much watching this video.